This is an extremely dangerous situation for AHS to be putting everybody into.
All visitors and designated support people who step foot onto any medical facility in Alberta must do COVID-19 screening, confirming you have no COVID-like symptoms. However, there are exemptions for support people for pediatric or maternity patients, meaning if you are COVID positive, you're allowed by the patient's side on some conditions. A record of decisions signed by Dr. Dina Hinshaw dating back to July of this year is raising concerns online. In the open letter, it says an exemption should be granted for a person who is symptomatic or who has been diagnosed with COVID-19 and has been requested by an obstetrical patient to attend hospital or other medical facility with the obstetrical patient.
Here we have this exemption saying that COVID positive patients can knowingly enter a labor and delivery ward and support their healthcare worker using like these minimal precautions, which are not enough to prevent transmission between the source patient and either healthcare workers or the laboring mom or the baby or potentially other patients on the unit.
Although Dr. Stephanie Cooper says from her experience, the letter is being taken out of context.
The letter was meant to recognize the fact that so many women do develop symptoms and get swabbed, in labor, and we don't know yet about her partner because they're a dyad, and that in those circumstances, their partners shouldn't be sent home.
While it sounds scary knowing COVID positive people could be in the maternity unit, Dr. Cooper says expecting mothers shouldn't have to worry.
If a woman is found to have COVID, she would not share a room with another patient. So her partner would still be able to be with her. But again, both people are in an isolation room.
In cases where an exemption is granted for a COVID positive support person, protocols are in place to ensure the safety of everyone in the maternity unit. And both the patient and support person will remain under contact and droplet isolation. In Edmonton, Laura Krause, City News.